here earlier today and we got a ton of photos which I'll probably either insert into the video or you'll see on my Instagram later. But we wanted to come back because we had such a fun time and we're going to show you around this time. Looks really cool. We're in the entrance bit now. This is which is really cool. And then we're just waiting to go into orientation.
Go ahead, take a seat.
Orientation?
Go ahead, take a seat.
Should we be the back row?
Probably the back, right? Better angle.
Do you find your spot? I guess I'll go pink.
Before we begin, we're going to watch this really quick orientation video. It's super fun. It has a dog in it. I know. It's so great.
Welcome to Color Factory. We're so glad you're here. Now, take a deep breath. Take a moment to clear your mind and get ready to take in some color. Begin. You'll need to register on the iPads in the next room. Not that iPad, the other iPad. At registration, you'll receive a card with a QR code. There are 16 unique rooms on this wall.
Let's go. She said.
I try to pause it while they're still dancing, but it's just kind of like an awkward cutoff. So, and photo stations all throughout Color Factory.
Does they have almond flour in?
The struggle.
Well, they look nice. They called rainbow cookies, but I would call them macaroons. So, what? Oh, someone already ate one. Oh, it was
That was
you.
me.
You got a pink one. That's
I did.
the best color.
It's actually really good.
Never had one. I've never tried a
Really?
macaroon.
You've never had a
I've always been
macaroon?
allergic to nuts. So I
Oh my god, they're
never-
amazing. Wow.
But I don't
do
know
they
what
all
I'm
have
missing
nuts
out
in
on.
them?
So, yeah, all of them. Oh, wall buttons. Step into this chamber of unconventional colors. Which hue calls your name? Select one button that speaks to you and pin it. Oh, you get to keep the pin. Pin it to your shirt or somewhere else equally safe. You'll need it again very soon. Wow, we did
not
this wrong.
get that the first time.
I was like doing a photo here, I dropped a couple on the floor, and that was our main worry. Not pick a button. What button should I go for? I feel like pink.
I was thinking
Has to be
pink. Yeah. I was being drawn to pink, but which shade?
Pale pink, pink, or fuchsia. Well, when you pick it up, it looks more corally red, I guess. I think pale pink.
Pale pink.
What do you? Because I'm wearing black. Oh, pink.
I'm going straight pink.
Pink.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Going classic pink.
This matches the tutu I was wearing earlier.
Exactly. Maybe I'll do blue.
It will complete the outfit. That was
Right?
the
I'll
same
do
color.
the blue, you do the pink. Very heteronormative.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's interesting. Do you want to go blue?
Oh yeah, I'll go this one. This is the color for
This
the
was
bodysuit,
The
right?
bodysuit.
Is it a bodysuit or swimsuit?
Swimsuit.
It's a swimsuit.
Yeah, from Wild Fox Boutique, but it costs a fortune in shipping, so I wouldn't recommend.
It's shipped very
Customs.
slowly, right?
Oh yeah, it's shipped there slowly. I wonder what we need this for, because we definitely didn't.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah? Okay.
Under neon bright lights when you
Okay.
I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Find you burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah.
Patty.
This is about harmony between first and fifth note. You play them together, synchronized order, and it'll create perfect pitch. Give it a try.
Thank you. Oh my god. I'm not a musician.
Next career, dude.
Oh, we love this room.
Yeah.
Hit me on the head. I can't be completely, but oh my god.
Wait.
First of all, I'm going to take the badge off because it's not the best look in the photo.
Are you gonna remove the badge?
I'm removing the badge. Let's try again. Oh god. So I'm sure you can imagine that's not going to be on my Instagram. Find which wish or like quote is more relatable to you. The whole world will love art and painting and drawing. Nice. Everybody doesn't die until they're 1 million and
Can you juggle? Are you a juggler?
Let me see. Oh, they're kind of like,
They're a little bit.
I don't know. Can you
Yeah.
Let's see.
upwards.
I think my favorite one was about not dying till you were a million.
Yeah.
I like this. I love that.
That's a good one.
Balloon wishes. When you wish upon a balloon, you find yourself in this awkward room. Oh, I love this one.
Round 2.
It's round 2.
Yeah.
So you know the hole where you pulled out the colors?
Pull the colours out. Yeah.
Instructions are there.
Oh.
We didn't
Match your pin
To those?
to the color.
And then you find out what the actual colour is called.
Yes.
Right. We did
Wow.
not do that.
That's some good insight.
It did come because it's not many people.
Yes,
Yeah.
it was Monday,
You get to enjoy yourselves.
Totally.
We
Yeah.
took photos earlier today. Now we're just like going and chilling, like
Yeah.
seeing what it actually looks like.
Do you like make the decisions and then you end up at the room with the color? Or?
Whatever decision you made up front,
Yeah.
try reversing it and see where you would
I went with spring, so we're gonna go autumn. What's your favorite Prince song? So I don't know any Prince songs, but I went with Purple Rain, so I guess we'll go with Pink Cashmere. How would you define your fits? Rational, to right here. And the card?
There you go.
Perfect. Ooh, green room.
It's.
Remember your secret colour as you're about to have your photo taken.
Remember the first time we did this?
The first time we did this, it was bad. And the light was bad. We literally turned away. It was that bad. Oh, it's so bright.
So bright.
I'm probably blinking. That's literally.
That's the YouTube thumbnail. I mean, there is no video without those,
Oh.
right? That's.
We skipped this bit.
Yeah, we did.
The Maybelline.
Oh yeah.
So I have one of these lipsticks in the shade Driver, which I really like. I think it's probably this one that I have, the second one along. It's a really nice nude, but it's cool that they're inside the Colour Factory.
You burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, remedy, remedy.
Lips, so
Baby, don't you know this is a remedy, remedy.
Okay.
they're like one of my favorite fruits, so probably on a good one. And I love pink, so that's always good. With the tap, so you don't even have to like pour out.
Yeah, it's I guess exactly right. I like it, I enjoy it. So I just don't drink it on the top.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Really good. Yeah, that's like really tasty.
Like skip tower.
I know, we should enjoy it this time. You should like pick up a phone. Oh wait, are you being talked to?
Yes.
Who's talking? What are they saying?
1964 to 2004. We all have art producing capabilities. Solid something of liquid materials. I don't know. Oh, it's a different person.
Who is it now?
This is a girl.
Okay.
She's just reading this. Oh, hang on. That guy was reading this one.
Fake vomit from around America.
Ew, it's-
Who makes fake vomit looking like that?
That says butterscotch.
Yeah, like
So that was my thought
I
process.
don't understand.
Sweet.
I literally thought it was melted gingerbread houses.
The cornflake taxonomy. Oh my god, this is like the evolution of cornflakes.
What's in there?
Nothing. Literally nothing. There are many things in this haul, around 100 in total. Here in this exhibit in front of you, not a thing. The absence of anything. The definition of nothing. Okay, this is where the badges come in handy. We never read this.
I know,
Yeah, we missed that.
Yeah. We like
This morning when we were just pulling them all out. And
Yeah.
we were like, what?
right?
I got it through the color of like my
Your name?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did this. But I have a feeling this one is the only one that is literally pink. Like it's literally just the color.
just
a lot of them are really weird names.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure this one's
Look, how funny is that? Put on the seat and it's red.
No way.
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, so this one says pink. How boring. Was assorted with boys until at least 1918. Interesting. Yours?
W? Yeah, let's see. What's it called? Whack chick.
Like I do under my
Oh, this is the spinny room.
Alright, which one you going on? You wanna do I'd say that's more colorful.
The camera's located on the ceiling, right?
Alright.
And go first man.
Okay, I really need to see now. We did that one before.
Welcome to Into the Blue. If you'd like to board our ride here, we just ask that you remove your shoes and also just no jumping or diving head first.
Yeah. Oh,
It is
really?
a diving.
Good call.
Oh no, people jump all the time. I'm like, wait, no.
Here we go, we'll do a shot. Bam.
ain't gonna lose ya. It's the remedy.
Last time I lay down and my hair went really static. You take a picture.
I was gonna say.
Where's the camera?
Where? Oh wait, it's up there. Here we go.
I missed it. Completely missed it.
Oh my gosh, that was so far after. And now your hair is getting so,
Oh no.
like, busy.
I fully waited, like, I completely missed it. Should we try it once more? Daisy?
Let's do it. It's happening.
I'll literally just hang about for like 3 seconds.
Yeah,
after
exactly.
I feel my hair
Oh yeah.
already.
No,
so
it's getting very, very
I
staticky.
have too much baby hair anyway. Okay, 4.
Nailed it.
They're moving.
Wow, that was perfect. Yeah, Blake, can you dive in? Oh.
No diving, guys. No diving.
So what's your verdict on the color factory?
This is my favorite room. Very well organized. And the staff are really nice. They told us there was 16 rooms.
Yeah, I agree.
But the restrooms were halfway.
Yeah, but the
So
restrooms...
the restroom should have been the 8th room, then this was the 9th, and then we're about to be done. You should ask them.
Want some sunglasses? Probably.
Oh, they're attached.
Oh, bummer.
Oh, you can try it out.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I don't know why we say halfway, but basically the first room I guess would be orientation, followed by the macaron bell,
Yeah. This is really testing you.
I know, this is a
I'm
good
glad I asked.
test.
balloon, a secret color, dance floor. This room is perioded. So that's 14.
That's a lot.
Pretty close.
That's really good.
Definitely more than halfway. Like some of the rooms could have had 2 rooms inside one.
Yeah.
Definitely. Like when you
The
do
disco?
secret color,
Oh,
when it's
yeah,
on the floor, you
that's
go
the
into a
room.
separate room.
Yeah.
The glasses are probably our best seller.
Oh, really?
The price point isn't insane.
Yeah.
Do I see them?
It's not
What do
bad.
you think?
They're super cute.
I just would never wear them.
Do you like pink?
But not for sunglasses.
Neon is supposed to be really in this summer.
I believe so.
People are buying a lot
I
of the
believe
neon.
so.
Oh, can you ride a bike?
Yeah, I haven't done it in a long time. I'm not confident enough to like rent a bike and ride on the street.
Yeah, no,
I
same.
always see that in Paris and I'm like, I would love to do that. This is the end of my Colour Factory vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. I'll link Oliver's Instagram and social media things in the description box down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Remedy,